Network engineers and cybersecurity aspirants, stop scrolling. I've got some massive news that you do not want to miss. For a strictly limited time, Palo Alto Networks has completely unlocked their premium training courses, including the highly demanded Palo Alto Networks Certified Next Generation Firewall Engineer Certification course. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access these courses right now. First step, click the link in the video description below. It will take you straight to the official Palo Alto Learning Center. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, let's sign up together. Enter your first name, last name, email, and set a strong password. Pro tip here. If you have a Credly account, make sure to use that exact same email address. Why? Because you'll be earning official digital badges at the end of these courses, and you want them linked perfectly. Next, we need to verify. Head over to your email inbox, grab that verification code, paste it right here, and hit verify. Accept the terms and conditions, complete your profile with the requested details, and you are in. Welcome to the Palo Alto Learning Center. Let's navigate straight to the course catalog. And boom. Here are the premium courses you've been looking for. Let me show you how easy it is to enroll. For this demo, I'm diving into the Palo Alto Networks Certified Next Generation Firewall Engineer course. Just click the Enroll button, hit Start Learning. Click Start Learning one more time to confirm, and that's it. You are officially on your way to mastering Palo Alto firewalls. Opportunities like this don't last forever. To stay updated on the latest free IT certifications, hands-on tutorials, and tech news, make sure you hit that subscribe button and join the ZingCops IT. See you in the next one.